on our first ride in Spain. Just going to do our usual warm-up ride today. We're going to go to Guardamar and go to the castle, and then ride back to La Marina. Bring you back in a minute. Bye for now. Here we are on the climb up to Guardamar Castle, up there, probably about another quarter of a mile around the side. It's quite tough, to be fair. I'll put the camera down and bring you back in a minute. Okay, so here we're on top of the castle. It's a lovely day, about 18 degrees. So we're on the Kona today. It's not changing gear right, we're going to have a look at that when I get back. I think it's a stop, a top stop. Just wants winding out a little, so it just moves over a little bit. It's not clicking into first every time. Right, we're going to make a way around the back and then come down this bit here. Bring you back in a minute and you'll see. Okay, here we are the other side of the castle. Right, let's go back to La Marina.